Guess who's $35 richer? I spent all day helping another buddy move. At the end of the day, when we ended up at the pawn shop, I found out we spent all day robbing houses. People don't know if I'm a friend or a fiend because I'm a terrible speller. And I find the term guinea pig very offensive. I prefer to say Italian-American police officer. I'm so embarrassed with how little money's in my checking account. So the last time I went to the bank, I wore a mask. Turns out I have a lot more money than I thought. They were handing me bags of money. Some of the people even started screaming and crying. It's like they knew exactly what turned me on.